Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the model, and you set units and check body names so nothing gets meshed incorrectly. Next, open the mesh branch and enable mesh display. Set a starting element size or relevance to guide density. Make sure you pick the right solver type. This affects available element formulations, so you match structural, thermal, or explicit needs. Once done, you're ready to change mesh type with the model prepared and constraints visible. You now select the components to change and apply mesh controls to targeted regions to avoid global remeshing. In the element settings, choose the appropriate element family: solid for volumes, shell for thin parts, beam for line elements, and pick linear versus quadratic order depending on accuracy versus cost. Make adjustments to curvature refinement and inflation layers for boundary accuracy. If needed, toggle patch conform. You generate the mesh and then immediately inspect quality metrics like skewness, aspect ratio, and Jacobian. This tells you whether the chosen type is appropriate. Run a quick static check or a minimal solve to reveal convergence hints or solver warnings because poor mesh choices show up there fast. If you see bad quality, refine locally, switch element order or type, or apply remesh controls to problem zones. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent errors occur, simplify geometry, then remesh that area and reassign the preferred element type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.